Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following my moving to Miami vlog, you know that I recently moved to Miami and I wanted to make a video that really highlighted some tips and tricks of moving from a house specifically to an apartment. Now, I know many people usually move from an apartment to a house so they gain space, and in this specific situation, there was a significant space reduction. So I really hope that this video helps you in your moving journey, and if you are moving from a larger space to a smaller space, I hope that these tips and tricks can help you in your move. So stick along, and I hope that some of these tips really help you in this new chapter of your life.
People move for all sorts of reasons, and maybe some of the reasons are for a fresh start, an opportunity that arose, or just a change of scenery. Tip 1. Make U-Haul your bestie. U-Haul, I feel, is sometimes underrated. I think many people just go for their trucks, but they have so much more: tape, bubble wrap, shrink wrap, boxes. They have your trucks, your dollies, furniture dollies, all sorts of equipment that is really going to make your life so much easier. Tip number 2, shrink wrap all your furniture. This is really going to help prevent damage to your furniture, especially if you've invested in good furniture. Tip number 3 is bubble wrap all glass. Many people like to just use newspaper. I would say if you use bubble wrap, your chances of having glass break is very minimal. Tip number 4 is to get rid of clothes that you haven't worn in more than 6 months. You can donate it, gift it to a family member, or do what you gotta do. Just don't bring it with you. Tip 5 is to create a space in both locations specifically for the boxes. This is gonna help maintain organization. Tip 6 is to sell as many things as you can so you don't bring unnecessary things to your new location. It can be art, furniture, appliances, anything you know you're not gonna use. Tip 7 is to have multiple pairs of scissors handy. You're gonna be needing it to open boxes, cut bubble wrap, cut shrink wrap. Tip 8, moving can be stressful, so stay fun and positive. Tip 9, keep your air mattress handy for power naps, especially when your bedroom set is dismantled. You're gonna need a nap, so keep your air mattress handy. Tip number 10, whatever fits in a box, put it in a box for easy transportation. This is such an amazing tip that I'm so happy that I did it this way, because the box usually has handles on the side, and it was extremely helpful to put it all on a dolly to just transport from room to room. Tip number 11, make yourself snacks and stay energized. Moving can be exhausting, so if you don't eat or hydrate, it can be very overwhelming and you can be exhausted. Tip number 12 is to keep the coffee and important spices for last. Tip 13, keep your vacuum near you. You're going to need it for the current space plus the new space. Tip 14, keep all of your daily carry in a duffel bag. Tip 15, if it's in your budget, hire movers. If not, you can ask family or friends to help you. Tip 16, label your boxes top, bottom, side to side. Trust me. Tip 16, all furniture that's too large, put it on your curb. Tip 17, no matter how exhausted you are, build your bedroom set so you can have a good night's sleep on your first night. Tip 18, invest in one of these wagons. Now that you're in an apartment, you're going to need one. Put on some good music throughout this entire process. A furniture dolly is going to be your lifesaver. Next tip is rent a 26-foot truck if you have a 3 to 4 bedroom house. Everything should fit. Next tip, wear gloves. Protect those nails, girl. Keep your electronics in your car. Don't stress out too much. You'll be moved in no time. For my final tip, don't stress out too much. Whatever you couldn't do at your house, you'll always be able to do at your apartment.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope these tips and tricks help you on your next move. If this video added any sort of value to your moving experience, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video.